Hello there everyone. Today we're gonna be reading Rivet. Rivets. How do you supposed to say it? Oh, hold up. There you go. Oof. Which book should we read? Oceans. Let's go to Oceans. Rivet. That's how you spell it.
Water. Oceans have waves.
Why do I need the apples while I'm doing this? Oceans have waves. Yay! Ocean have turtles.
Oceans.
Oceans. Yay! Oceans have turtles. Yay! That's it? Oh, hold on. Ocean have fish. Oceans have fish. I'm back. Oceans have starfish. Oceans have starfish. Am I even using it? Hold up. This is broken. Oceans have starfish. Yay.
Oceans. Starfish.
Okay. Oceans have crabs. By the way, I'm eating apples while I'm doing this. Oceans have jellyfish. Oceans have jellyfish. There you go. Oceans have dolphins. I love that. Oceans have cells. Oops, I said that wrong.
Shells.
Shells. Yay!
Woohoo!
Oceans have shells. Yay. Oceans have sharks. What else does oceans have? Oceans have seals. Oceans have seals. Seals.
Seals.
Sometimes it's broken for me. Seals. Seals. Yay.
Woohoo!
Oceans have seals. Oops, I already did that. Oceans have ice. Ice.
Ice. Oceans have ice.
Oceans have ice.
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 Woohoo!
Oceans have ice. Oceans have ice. Ice. Oceans have ice. There we go. Oceans have whales. Oceans are cool. That's it? Really? That's it? Hold up. Where's the pop balloons? Let's go. It's not working. Okay. Oh my god, what happened? Ta-da.
Keep reading.
Okay. This is way better than the lingo. What trees give us? Okay. Hurricanes? No. I hate it. Super. Let's go learn about trees. Plants and trees. Done. Let's go search for that. Plants and trees. Oh my god, that is a ton. Don't worry about that.
Sunflower.
I know. What is a sunflower? It works for me. Sunflowers are plants. Hold on. It's broken. Sunflowers are plants. Is it broken? Sunflowers are plants. Is this okay? I think this thing is broken. I said level 1. Favorites. I do like this one. Read again. New. Adventure. Animals. Arts and crafts. Community. History. That is a lot. How about rainbows? Rainbows. Colors. Look at all the colors. Is this a song? If it is, then I'm gonna sing it. This is a red heart. Oh. This is a red heart. My voice just broke there. Red. I just said red. Red. It can't even hear me. Oh, there you go. This is an orange crab.
This an
Hold on.
is this is an orange crab.
What? I didn't even say it. Orange. There we go. This is a yellow flower. I love this so much. Yellow. Yellow. That's better. This is a green leaf. Green. Ahem. Green. That's better. This is a blue circle. Blue. Blue. This is a purple dinosaur. Purple. Purple. Why didn't it work? We love colors. Hold on.
We. We.
We. Yay.
Woohoo! Love.
Love. Yay.
Woohoo!
Last one.
Colors.
Colors. Yay. Where's the woohoo? Let's go do it. Hold up. We love colors. Don't looking at me. Oh my god.
Yay!
Yay. How was this book? Awesome. I love it. Tell us about it. Celebration and hearts. That's what it means. There you go. Oops. Monkey. There you go. Keep reading. Alright. I think this is going to be the end of the video. Goodbye.